welcome you once again in this session. We are going now to look at the amphibian. We have looked at the different classes. We have looked at the mammalian class. We have looked at the aves class. And we have looked at the reptile class. Now we want to talk about the amphibian class. Under the amphibian class, we have the frogs, the toads, and the newts, as well as the salamanders. All these organisms are put in this class. They are different, but they have characteristics that are similar that bring them together in this class. One of the characteristics is that all these organisms, the frog, the toad, and the newts, are called blooded, and we refer to them as ectothermic, meaning that they cannot control their body temperatures much different from that of their surroundings. These organisms, all of them, if you look at their teeth, they have what we call the homodont teeth. Homodont teeth, those are teeth that resemble each other, like there is no specialization. All the teeth are the same. For the toad, the newts, and the frogs, their teeth are the same. All these organisms are carnivorous. They freak out the tank and trap their prey. They undergo external fertilization, whereby the eggs are laid outside, and then also the male gametes are laid on the eggs, say the body of the female. Fertilization takes place externally. Breeding takes place in the water. The eggs hatch and develop into the larvae, which are the tetrapods, and these tetrapods develop in the fresh water, and after developing they can move out of the water. The skin is moist, and the moist skin helps in the absorption of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide to the environment. Oxygen dissolves into the water and it is taken into the body. They also use the buccal cavity. At the same time, they also use the lungs for respiration. These organisms have a three-chambered heart. They have two auricles and one ventricle. Their circulatory system is quite different from that of the reptiles, the mammals, whereby here you find that they have only three-chambered heart, two auricles and one ventricles. And you find that their body is separated, or the body is divided into two parts: the head and the trunk. There is no neck, and they are fused. The head and the neck are fused together. they have 4 limbs, but the hind limbs are webbed in order to help them to float on water, and also they are strong in order to help them during the process of jumping. So we have said that one of the classes in the Chordata phylum is the amphibian class, and this one has the toads, it has the frogs, and it has the newts. We have seen that some of the characteristics that brings them together are having homodont tooth or teeth, having a moist skin, and we have seen that the larval stage, which is the tadpole stage, development takes place in the water. The adults mainly stay on land, but at the same time they can use water for breeding. They undergo external fertilization. The eggs and the male gametes are released in the water where fertilization takes place. We have seen they use the lungs, they use the skin and the buccal cavity for gaseous exchange, and they are carnivorous animals, meaning that they feed on other insects, and they do it by freaking out the tongue and trapping their prey. And we have seen also that the body is divided into 2 divisions, the trunk and the head, and which head fuses with the neck. And also, one of the last characteristics is that they have only one outlet where the waste products and the gametes come out of the body, and that one is what we call the croca. Next time when we come back again, we shall yet look at another class, and that is the class of fish. Please come back again.